Yeah, so the challenge of the big dumper is the noise that is coming from the gearbox is this. It's called a synchronizer or a blocker ring. So in here the dog teeth are broken inside. So you can just check it out like this. When I'm shaking it, it wobbles. Okay, and when the engine is running, even though the machine is in neutral or running as well, due to vibration and to the and the drive that is coming from the shaft to here, it's making a very loud clicking noise. And for that, the machine doesn't have I mean, like, we're not guaranteed what more damage it can bring if we to let it run. So it will have to go to Lusaka that they machine this piece or put a new one. Thank you.